In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use random number generation, which is an important part of game playing and also allowing computers to do things themselves, initiate their own processes. So to do that, we need to import a module called random. So the first instruction you write at the top is import random. That doesn't come as standard with Python. It's a library that you need to import into your program. It's not sort of like a built-in function as such. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a variable called var underscore randnum, and we're going to assign that the value of a random number. All right. How we do that is we type random, which is that module we've imported, dot randrange. This is a function that exists within that module. Okay, random dot randrange, and we're going from 1 to 6. You could set any range of numbers you want, but that's every number from 1 to 6. So that could be, depending on the way the computer's working at the time, that could be any number between 1 and 6 is stored in that variable. And then I'm going to output the variable. So if I run, it's a 5 this time. If I run it again, it's a 4. Run it again, it's a 4. It's a 3. It's a 4. It's a 4. It's a 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3. If I change that from 1 to 7, I will get a 6 as well. There we go. So you can keep seeing different numbers being generated there. So what it's doing, each time I run the program, it's creating a variable which is assigned the value from a random number from a range of between 1 and 7, and then we're outputting that variable there using the print statement. Okay, so that's very basic stuff. I'm going to just copy and paste in a short program I've written, which is a dice roll. So we're going to use what we did last time, which is iteration using conditional loops, which is while loops. And this time I'm going to have a thing called roll choice, right? So var roll choice equals y, while roll choice is equal to y. We're going to do some stuff. All right. So what I've got is I've got var random underscore num equals random dot randrange from 1 to 6. I'm going to actually make that 1 to 7. So it's everything before 7, from 1 to 1 including 6. Okay. So you rolled a var random num. So it creates that variable, like I just showed you before, outputs a message now saying what they rolled, and it's asking them if they want to roll again. Obviously, we're using this variable now called roll choice, which was originally set as a y. Do you want to roll again? Y or no? If you press Y, you get another dice roll. And if you type N or any other letter or any other combination of string characters, it will quit and it will say goodbye. Because this is outside of the while loop, if you notice. Okay, so I run that. Would you like to roll again? Yes. 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 There we go. We get a load of dice rolls. Okay. So that's quite clever, isn't it? You can actually make a dice roll game, and you can roll as many times as you want. So that's random numbers, and be able to roll the dice as many times as you want. In the next tutorial, you're going to use them to do something a little bit more complex. But yeah, so random number generation.